Okay, here's some of the trades for today on NQ.
Stop filled.
This was in real time. Just wanted to mention that in the beginning here, NQ was moving very chaotically, very erratic. And you'll see in a little bit that I found it necessary to switch over to YM futures, the Dow, which was moving a little bit smoother. Here was the second trade I went into. That one was also a loser. It was already down almost, I think, 630 after two trades. Here's one that, because price was moving so fast, I put a pre-stop order there that triggered on that breakout. Something that I don't use that often, but I had a pretty good feeling that we'd get a nice little pop. And you can see it's moving pretty well after that breakout. That's in real time. Watch this trade. I went into this. It looked okay. You're going to see this thing move up with some sort of little spike that it's moved so fast you can't even really see it until after the price is taken out.
Stop filled.
Look at that.
Filled.
This is about the time I moved over to YM, so you're going to be seeing Dow futures now. This one was just basically a break even. All right, next trade I went into on YM. Loser. Okay, so right now I'm $800 down. I'm thinking, another trade or two like this, I'm going to have to probably do max daily drawdown. But kept going. Okay, here was one. That was a pretty decent trade. You can see I have very low risk on this one. And that was a winner. Here's another one I went into and it suddenly started reversing. This is still YM. Not a good trade. You can see it start really popping up. Full 40 tick stop out. And price starts moving up. I can tell that there's something's going on. This was about the time the Fed guy started saying they might be a little flexible on the interest rates next year. And of course, we had a nice little temporary rally, which did not last. Crashing again as of the time I'm speaking. Anyhow, let's fast forward this. So that was a pretty good one right there. Over 40 ticks on YM. Here was a little second wave because I saw some at least directional momentum, some price action that I understand. And this is YM again, and another nice one. So I was getting down a little bit better, near even. And you can see price was really ripping up for a little bit, went back in. That one I broke even on. And that got me back to even, which being 800 or almost 1,000 down was, I was pretty happy to get back to even. Okay, got another opportunity here. And you can see YM really taking off when it moves, and it doesn't have the huge pull. It doesn't have those huge like pullbacks that you get with NQ when it's moving in this kind of manner. So a lot easier to trade sometimes. And that's pretty much where I called it a day. I was happy to get a little bit back after, fighting my way to get all the way back to positive territory. So that's it. I hope everybody has a nice Christmas. That's probably the last, obviously, I'm going to be trading. Not going to bother with it Monday. And Might start next month bumping up these contracts a little bit. I'm feeling pretty confident that I can do that safely, so we'll see.